So this is the demo of our project for Professor's Pretty class.
So for this project, we need 3 Python files. This first file is for initializing the database.
And the second file, manipulation file, it manipulates the objects.
And the third file is for executing the interface, which is why we use this file for starting the code.
So here you can see the interface, like the login interface for our project. It's like we did it on purpose for the privacy, where the users can enter with their ID and password.
As you can see, here is what you should type, and you can change it here. And now, first we see how to add stocks. So for example, we type a company that has 100 stocks that cost $30 each, and we add it.
And then next is like we also have a ability to manage our stocks, add more quantity to the stock name, or reduce it, or also delete stocks completely.
So in here we can see our stocks.
That we recently added.
We will see the quantity also and the cost. And in here we can see all the changes we've done, and since we haven't done any change, there's nothing.
And also in a view stock and also in the managing stock, we could search the stocks by their key names. We just enter their names and get the search results, and it will show the stocks.
Yes.
The main purpose of our project is for the people who are like stock breakers. They can manage and work on their stocks. Work as we showed you at the stocks, delete them. When it comes to the classes and objects we used in our project, they are here.
For example, this is one class, stacked example. Another class is called example and login. And for objects, we have in here stock name, stock count, stock val,
And other objects as well.